back to my channel. Today I wanted to get on the train of I follow blank makeup tutorial, and I mean, who better to do it from than Kylie Jenner herself. I'm gonna follow two of those. She showed them on her Snapchat. So the first one is where she does a foundation, and on the other one I wanted to do from her a little palette where she had the blue eyeshadow going on, because it's like summers. I want to do a summer look. That's what we're gonna do today, so let's start the video. Okay, so here it begins. She is mixing two very expensive foundations, which is a Makeup Forever HD and the Naked Skin. So I am going to try and attempt to mix two expensive foundations. I've got the Fresh Nude foundation from Body Shop, which is my mother's, of course. And the second one that I'm going to use is my daily foundation, which is actually a BCC cream, which could be kind of like Naked Skin. So it looks kind of like what she uses. So let me mix this on a damp makeup sponge. She of course uses a beauty blender, but like I don't have that. Also I've seen that she uses the Professional, and I got this from my mom as well. I'd never used this before actually, so I'm like, do I put this on my face? Like, let me just prime my eyes with it actually, okay, and like my T-zone. Okay, I've never really used this foundation, so it's kind of like, okay. Oh, it's very greasy. Guys, before putting on this BCC cream, I put on a yellow color corrector underneath. So to match it to my skin, I have to do that today. Coverage, which is what I like as well. Not gone in my eyes, which I like to do usually, but she has not done it, so like, I'm not gonna do it. Now she's using a Brow Wiz in Caramel. Okay, soft brows, let's do that. So she used a Brow Wiz, which is from Benefit if I'm not wrong. So I have the Benefit Goof Proof Eyebrow Pencil, which is my mother's, has a spoolie on one side, and this also I've not used yet, and she has soft brows on. So let's try. It's like a proper square. I think this is as soft as it's gonna be, because my brows are not soft. They're very, very thick and there. She's using a concealer now to clean up the eyebrows. She has still not put on any eyeliner, let me just say that. So it's like a lighter colored concealer. I'm gonna use the cream concealer here, because she also uses a cream concealer. Okay, by the way, I never do this step. It's so weird. Now what? Eyebrows look clean. It did though. It did make my eyebrows look cleaner. I think this makes the eyebrows does. It looks like. Okay, so she sets that B. She uses a fluffy brush to set it. Okay, so she used a Laura Mercier loose powder. I'm gonna use a Rimmel London loose powder because the reality is I don't have that. So she just sets that. So like separate setting for your eyebrow, like maybe. Okay. Now my eyelids can get a bit greasy also before applying eyeshadow, but she did not do anything. Okay, is this set? Okay, so now I'm gonna switch tutorials and go to the makeup tutorial that she did using her vacation palette, and I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush for this. So first of all, she goes into the shade Summer of 17, which I have right here in the Miss Claire eyeshadow palette. Let's see what this one does with it. It's like this nude eyeshadow. So she used a bronzy eyeshadow under her brow, and it came out like silver. No, that looks so gross. I think she showed that by mistake, because the color that she was using was definitely not this. I'm gonna use my highlighter for this. Yeah, this is the color that came up, right? Ooh, that makes my eyebrows look on fleek. I think so. I think now she's mixing the Sea Breeze and Coconut, which is like Okay, wait. Now she's mixing a color that I just took and then like a hula bronzer color. Hey, this is nice. Using the light matte brown really made it subtle. I love this. I didn't get something here though, like doesn't look like anything. Okay, now she's using the color Palm Tree, which is like a dirty blackish brown color. Okay. Where do I find that color though? She didn't put anything in the middle of her eye if I'm not wrong, which is weird so far. Okay, now she's using this beautiful pink color called Starfish with a fluffy brush again. So there you go, and I have a color similar to this. Now what? What? Girl, what are you trying to do? Oh, that was like a transition color. Okay. Like, this didn't do anything. Okay. The exact dupe of Paradise right here. She's gonna take that and do what? Okay, I have the exact shade. Finally doing something for the middle. Too many steps and nothing is showing up. Very subtle. Mine is too over the top. Oh shit, I just messed it up. I like it. Very pretty. This is what I have so far. Hers looks much subtler. I picked up a lot of color. How does hers look like? They're like two colors, and for me it looks like bleh, all the colors you vomited. Let me conceal everywhere that she says. I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I wish I had a lighter colored one, but I don't. But let me do how she does it, okay? It's like real nice. I need it here especially. And there's like a lot of product too, right? Okay, so now my face looks like a grease ball, so I hope she's powdering herself next. But like under eyes, love it. I'm gonna do this every day now. Okay, she baked. So let me just say she is still not powdered her entire face yet. So. Gonna use this powder again. Okay, so she dusts this off and then she kind of swirls the brush which has this product all over her face. So we're gonna do that as well. Oh my gosh, guys, I love this bake. Wow, she just kind of goes all over her face with the brush. So I have one similar product. Awesome. She uses a different kind of brush. I'm gonna use the brush that comes with this and just gonna really carve out my cheekbones. She's using an Anastasia brow gel. I'm gonna use a Body Shop brow gel, but both are transparent. So guys, the only blush I have is this one. She has very natural blush going on, so I'm just gonna smile a little bit. Very naturally blush. She does it under the cheek, which is like, I don't do that. We do on the cheek, right? But that does elevate the cheekbones more, right? That's a different location for blush that I've never done. She uses that matte brown on her lower lashes. Used Hoola bronzer instead of that, so let me put this underneath my eyelids. I don't know how that's gonna... Oh, that does make a difference. Can you see? Girl, this, what? So she has a very goldeny highlight, which for that, I'm actually gonna use my little MAC pigment in the color Vanilla for this. I've never done this, to be honest. This is the first. Let's see if it works. Pigment, and now we blend. That looks so nice. Do you see that? Oh my god, that looks so subtle and nice. I'm using this every day because I feel like the Savannah Colors highlighter now, it's just too white for me. So she has still not put any powder like around here. I'm gonna do that because I need it. There you go. I need this. And then, okay, so we've already put an eyeshadow and now we're putting eyeshadow on top of eyeshadow. Okay, this looked much better on her, just saying. This ruined my mood along with my makeup. Anyways, I'm gonna take some translucent powder and just try to save this. Okay guys, so my neighbors got really loud and like not annoying at all, right? I mean, I love loud people. Anyways, that happened, so I had to shut the door, lighting change, yay, awesome. So this is 3 coats of the Lash Princess Mascara by Essence. I think it's pretty good. She used the Malibu lip liner. I think this would go, let's see, and the Naked Velvet from a summer collection. So let's see what the Malibu lip liner looks like, because I have the Kylie Cosmetics lip liners. Oh my god, my neighbors are quiet now. I'm back to the setup. This is what the lip looks like. She did not use a highlighter right here, which, I mean, here she did, but like on the nose and stuff like this, she did not. So that's it. This is the makeup tutorial and I love it. I totally understand all the steps. I mean, the eyes took a lot of steps, but it looks so beautiful and seamless. I love this look. I'm probably gonna film another makeup tutorial on this. So if you see that, don't mind it. But I learned so much that I'm gonna apply that actually works. So thank you for that. I hope you like this setup, except for the sounds, of course. If you like this and you would like me to copy someone else's makeup tutorial, make sure to thumbs this video up and let me know whose makeup tutorial you would want me to copy next, or maybe a specific look, anything like that. I had a lot of fun with this. You learn so much and I would love to copy other people's makeup tutorials. So quickly type that in and I'll see you guys in my next video, probably in the same makeup look. Bye till then.